Hi friends, నా వీడియోస్ మరికొంతమందికి రీచ్ అవ్వడానికి ప్లీజ్ లైక్ షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు మై ఛానల్. టుడే we have to learn double letter words LL. First one is BALL ball. Second one is well. WELL well. Next one is grill. GRILL grill. Fourth one is shell. SHELL shell. Fifth one is bell. BELL bell. Sixth one is wall. WALL wall. Seventh one is call. CALL call. 12th one is mall. 8th one is mall. 9th one is fill. FILL fill. 10th one is smell. SMELL smell. Next one is tall. TALL tall. Next one is roll. ROLL roll. Next one is spell. SPELL spell. Next one is will. WILL will. Next one is ILL ill. Next one is ALL all. In third row, first one is fall. FALL fall. Next one is drill. DRILL drill. Next one is hill. HILL hill. Next one pull. PULL pull. Next one is thrill. THRILL thrill. Next one is yellow. YELLOW yellow. Once again I repeat, first one is ball. Second one is well. Third one is grill. Fourth one is shell. Fifth one is bell. Sixth one is wall. Seventh one is call. Eighth one is mall. Ninth one is fall. 10th one is smell. 11th one is tall. 12th one is roll. 13th one is spell. 14th one is will. 15th one is ill. 16th one is all. 17th one is fall. 18th one is drill. 19th one is hill. 20th one pull. 21st one thrill. 22nd one yellow. 23rd one small. Yeah, these are the double letter words LL. LL double letter words. Look carefully. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.